Does a fixed floor space mean limited machining capability? As the demand for heavy-duty and large-scale parts keeps rising, the spatial constraints of traditional turret structures are rapidly becoming a bottleneck. Introducing the YOUJI CTV series delivering significantly higher machining value, all within virtually the exact same footprint as traditional 6 or 12-station turret machines. Specifically engineered for large-scale workpiece demands, the CTV series seamlessly balances machining envelope, high efficiency, and production flexibility. Traditional horizontal turrets often confront severe tool interference issues when handling oversized parts, increasing the risk of collisions. By utilizing a 24-station automatic tool changer, the CTV series keeps the working area clear of idle tools, fully unlocking the machining envelope for oversized parts. Facing the demands of high-mix, low-volume production, and fast changeovers, every minute spent on tool changing and recalibration is a direct loss of valuable uptime. All-in-one magazine, the 24-tool magazine can accommodate turning tools, milling cutters, drills, and tapping tools at the same time. Combined with Z-axis indexing capability, it achieves complete turn mill multitasking and true done-in-one efficiency. Seamless agility for urgent orders and high-mix runs. Simply change the program for zero downtime, tool-free transitions. As machining transitions into heavy-duty cutting, machine rigidity is the ultimate test. The high-rigidity structure directly absorbs all cutting forces. Rigidity performance far superior to traditional turret design. Even under heavy load conditions, it maintains uncompromising machining quality and exceptional material removal rates. Expanded tool capacity empowers full flexibility, optimizing tool life management and sister tool setups. Ideal for high-value added components, this system delivers elite precision, maximum material removal, and ultimate flexibility for high-mix, low-volume production. From aero engine casings and turbine discs to combustor rings, all demand the perfect balance of machining envelope, cutting rigidity, and process integration. When challenging difficult-to-cut Inconel and thin wool parts, the CTV series ensures highly stable machining conditions. Single setup machining effectively eliminates deformation risks caused by secondary clamping. YOUJI's advanced HMI integrates a tool load monitoring system, delivering real-time anomaly detection to fully protect your spindles and tools while minimizing machining risks. Furthermore, our multifunctional all-in-one window consolidates part programs, machine coordinates, and live load monitoring. This intuitive layout optimizes speed control, significantly extending tool life and reducing cycle times for the ultimate user experience. Optimized envelope, ultimate flexibility, heavy duty power.
The CTV series delivers maximum machining value without expanding your floor space.
Maximizing capability within your existing floor space. The CTV series from YOUJI